Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar and Salad Bar channel. We're always doing salad and juice. Today we want to make you a nice lovely green olive salad with tomato, mixed peppers and spring onion and black pepper. Very easy, simple recipe, guys. If you have leftover stuff, you can do this at home. Stay tuned. Anyway, I have some tomato which I'm already cut up now. Some wedges tomato. Already cut up it. Right over here I have some olive, and this is some green olive. I'm gonna pop it straight inside of the bowl like that. Roughly about a tin, about 250 gram of olive. So that's enough, which we can also use. Alright. Spring onion. I love to use spring onion in my vegetables because definitely it's just give me a different kind of look. This one is gonna be a simple salad. So now I'm just cutting up my spring onion, and I'm gonna pop the spring onion in it like this. And I have some green pepper, which I'm going to be using. I'm using one other green pepper, both of them green and yellow. And I'm cutting up it finely. And then I got my yellow pepper, which I'm going to be using. Nice and lovely. So that's it right there. It's not a lot. I could put red onion inside of it, but most of my vegetables, sometimes salad when I'm making more time, I have red onion inside of them. Sometimes I don't want to put red onion. I just keep it simple. So what we're going to do now is just add a little bit of pepper inside of it. Alright, so that's the pepper which I'm going to add. Some black pepper to bring in a lovely flavor to it and a color. So it's just, you know what I mean, something simple this time, nothing too complicated. Gonna add some either vegetable oil or olive oil. See that? That's very simple and unique. Alright, now what you can do is pour it out into a bowl like this. You can, it's coming up to Christmas, guys. You know, a lot of people like some ideas. You know what I mean? A lot of people like the olive, a lot of vegetarian like all these things. So, you know, something different on the table. And I'll tell you something, even this same thing, guys, you can cook it down, stir fry it off, come out lovely and nice. Really nice. And that's exactly Chef Ricardo been talking about, guys. Simple recipes and effective, and you know what I mean, 100%. I know you guys definitely can make that at home. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar and Salad Bar. We're always making a different kind of salad, and this come out really lovely and nice. I want to take the time out to say, guys, you know, it's just amazing to know what you can make at home. And when I look at this beautiful salad, it's just fantastic, really nice and tasteable. So enjoy it. I have a lot more recipe like this coming out for you, and this is some green olive salad from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please stay tuned, and remember, don't forget to subscribe, clicking the bell, and it's very important. I will see you next time with more recipe like this. Bye bye.